Today, we're going to explore the most powerful and accessible tool we have for optimizing our brain's performance, exercise. We often think of exercise as a way to improve our physical appearance or cardiovascular health, but the reality is that its most profound effects happen in our minds. The brain, far from being a static organ, is incredibly dynamic and responsive to physical activity. Engaging in deliberate movement can fundamentally rewire our neural circuits, leading to a cascade of positive changes in our cognitive function and emotional state. In this video, we will explore the science behind how exercise directly enhances your ability to learn, improves your mood, and sharpens your memory. We'll discuss the specific neurochemicals like serotonin and norepinephrine and growth factors like BDNF that are released during physical activity and how they act as powerful fertilizers for your brain. This is not about becoming a professional athlete. It's about leveraging a simple science-backed protocol to build a more resilient, focused, and emotionally stable mind. Exercise triggers a powerful response in the brain, primarily by stimulating the release of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Think of BDNF as miracle grow for your brain cells. It's a neurotrophin that promotes the growth, survival, and differentiation of new neurons and synapses. This process is known as neuroplasticity, the brain's incredible ability to adapt and form new connections throughout life. When you engage in consistent physical activity, you are literally creating a richer environment for your neurons to thrive. This strengthens neural pathways, which is the biological foundation for all learning, memory, and cognitive performance, making your brain more resilient and efficient. Beyond structural changes, exercise has an immediate and profound impact on our mood by directly influencing our neurochemistry. When we move our bodies, we trigger a cascade of beneficial neurotransmitters. Specifically, there's a significant increase in the release of dopamine and serotonin. Dopamine is a key player in motivation and reward, providing the drive needed to pursue goals. Serotonin, on the other hand, is a powerful mood regulator that helps to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. By incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, you are essentially giving your brain a natural dose of these feel-good chemicals, which can dramatically improve your emotional resilience and overall sense of well-being. The brain is a remarkably energy-intensive organ, demanding approximately 20% of the body's total oxygen supply. Exercise plays a critical role in meeting this demand by significantly boosting blood flow to the brain. This enhanced circulation ensures that your brain receives a steady and ample supply of oxygen, glucose, and other essential nutrients, allowing your neurons to function at their highest capacity. This improved delivery system is vital for all cognitive processes, from problem-solving to focused attention. By keeping your blood flowing and your heart pumping, you are providing your brain with the fuel it needs to operate more efficiently, which translates directly to improved mental clarity and cognitive performance. The hippocampus is a small, seahorse-shaped structure deep within the temporal lobe, and it is a critical hub for learning and memory formation. What's truly remarkable is that consistent aerobic exercise has been scientifically proven to physically increase the size of the hippocampus. This effect is a direct result of the neuroplasticity and blood flow benefits triggered by physical activity. When the hippocampus grows, it becomes more efficient at its primary job, converting short-term memories into long-term ones and helping with spatial navigation. By simply moving your body, you are directly investing in the biological hardware of your memory, helping to protect it from age-related decline and enhancing your capacity to learn and retain new information. While all forms of exercise benefit the brain, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, offers a unique advantage for improving executive function and attention. Executive functions, which are managed by the prefrontal cortex, are the higher-level cognitive skills that allow us to plan, organize, and control our behavior. The intense bursts of energy and rapid changes in heart rate during HIIT stimulate neural activity in this specific region of the brain. This strengthens the pathways responsible for focus and decision-making, helping you filter out distractions and stay on task. Incorporating just a few minutes of high-intensity work can make a significant difference in your ability to maintain sharp, sustained attention in your daily life. The ultimate power of exercise for the brain lies in its ability to forge and strengthen powerful neural pathways. When we engage in physical activity, especially one that requires skill or coordination, we are essentially training our brain to become more efficient at communicating with our body. For example, learning a new dance move or sport creates new, specialized neural circuits that connect motor control with cognitive processing. This constant interplay between mind and body improves overall brain efficiency, making it easier to learn new skills, solve complex problems, and adapt to new situations. This is a holistic approach to brain health where you're not just moving your body, but also rewiring your brain for peak performance.